What's going on, guys? This is Player Guy 1 here, and here's my coffee table, or a table, or whatever. Here's my table. Sadly, my grandpa passed away. I'll miss him though. But anyways, here we go with the unboxing of the Blériot C56-160. Now, these are one of the Christmas trains. I forgot to review this over 1 to 2 months ago. Let's take a look at the box first. Here is the back of the box. Very nice box. Let's go ahead and unbox this locomotive, and this will be in fast motion. Okay, so the wrapping was hard. Oh, look at that. A huge piece of foam. That's weird. Looks like a block of ice. Well, winter already ended. So, here are stickers for the locomotive. No card. Oh, wait. In the box. Sorry, viewers. We got the card right here. So, this is interesting. The instructions, which I don't need. I don't read Japanese. But anyway, let's take a look at the pouch first. JR, I believe that means Japanese Railways. I wonder if the stickers are for the locomotive or the coach. I don't know. Let's take a look at the engine. Kind of a small tender. Kind of reminds me of the Trackmaster 2 tenders. That's the locomotive itself. The drive unit is the same as the Blériot C12. Underneath. Very excellent detailing. Let's go ahead and give this engine a battery. That was hard, but I got him. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Okay, it's coming alive. I was gonna tap this thing like that. I was gonna tap this locomotive, but it's finally alive. Alright, let's get this locomotive its run. We're at the railway, and here comes the Player LC56 160's run. And here is the hill climb. Very strong hill climb, like all the other Player Rail trains. Very nice. So YouTubers, there it is. The unboxing review of the Player Rail LC56 160. Now, this is actually one of the best Player Rail engines I've ever had. I mean, the small tender is kind of a con, but the coach is a nice bonus. And I love the locomotive itself. Now, when I remember in a UC Weapon video, one of his customs video, he put in a headlight on this locomotive. It was a nice custom UC Weapon. It was a nice custom. I appreciate it. But I don't want to do stuff like UC Weapon does with all the headlights, headlamps and stuff, or lights, or whatever. Now, what am I going to do with this locomotive? Well, like I did with the Player LC57, I'm going to make this into one of the characters from the Great Race, and this time it's Carlos from Mexico. Aloha, amigo. Welcome to Mexico. That's Italian. I have no idea what's a Mexican accent. Aloha, amigo. Yep. This is an excellent locomotive. So what am I going to do with this Player LC56? We're making Carlos. Well, it's gonna be pretty easy actually. Carlos is black. This locomotive is black too. And I'm not sure. Do you guys think I should put Duncan's face on this locomotive to look like Carlos? Put down comments in the comment section below to see what you think. I'm probably gonna use the Player LC61's tender for this locomotive to make Carlos. And what about this coach? I don't know. Maybe I should paint it in blue, like British Railways blue or whatever. Now, I saw a tweet on Twitter, which Mattel said they're gonna cancel Big World Big Adventure. I personally think that's a lie, Mattel. I personally think that's a lie. I'm not stupid, Mattel. You're stupid. You're stupid with all the Chuckington mechanics. Now, Thomas traveling around the world. Thomas breaking the fourth wall. First person narrations. Or whatever. You're stupid. That's it. You're stupid. Ugh. I'm not stupid. Yep. Very nice locomotive. Excluding the small tender. I'm not sure if the real locomotive has a small tender. I don't know. I don't know about Japanese locomotives. But anyways, that's all I have to say for this unboxing review of the Player LC56 160. This is Player Guy 1 here saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. I just forgot to mention that this complete between the locomotive and the tender is kind of funky, but cool. Very cool.